here's how to create this text masking effect. Create a blank clip and type your text. Once you're done, export your clip. Create a new project and add in all your background videos. Tap PIP and import the text video to your project.